The next step in your gravy is that you want to taste it. Crucial point of your gravy. You want to make sure that it doesn't need any more salt. Maybe you want to add some cream to make it a little bit richer. Maybe you want more of that sage flavoring. You could sprinkle in a little bit of dried sage or poultry seasoning. But let's give it a try here. Oh my gosh. You guys. Ooh, you know what I am gonna add to mine is a little bit of black pepper. Just a pinch to brighten up those flavors. And mine is ready. Ooh. Okay, so when you buy your turkey stock, generally you're gonna probably buy it in one of those containers that you pour out of. That's usually a 4-cup container. We're using about 3.5 cups of that in here. So that leaves you with about a 1/2 cup of turkey stock. Now, if you want to make this ahead, you can pop it in the fridge. It will definitely congeal into like jelly in the fridge. But what you want to do then is just put it over heat, maybe add a little bit of that extra broth, whisk it up, good to go. If you don't have extra broth, add a little chicken broth, you could even add water and then add a little more flavoring, or you could add like a 1/2 and 1/2 or a cream. If you've made your gravy and you feel like it's a little thin for what you're looking for, what you want to do is just keep simmering it on low heat, and that will start to evaporate some of that liquid, some of the water content, and help it thicken up. The other option is to make what's called a cornstarch slurry, and while your gravy is simmering, it's important that it is bubbling a little bit, that it's simmering. Mix together 1 tablespoon of cool water and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix it up really good and then pour it into the gravy while it's simmering, and that should thicken it up perfectly. Now, if you taste your gravy and you feel like it got a little bit too salty, then you want to dilute it a little bit. The first option is, of course, to add some more turkey stock or chicken stock. That may add to the saltiness unless you have a reduced sodium stock that you can use. You could also add a little bit of water to dilute everything. The other option is to add some milk, some cream, some 1/2 and 1/2. That dairy content will help to reduce the saltiness of your gravy. All in all, this gravy is absolutely delicious, and I really hope you make it for your holiday table or the next time you have mashed potatoes or a roast poultry that you need a little gravy for. And I hope that this turkey gravy without drippings helps you feel like a success in your kitchen. Join me next week for another recipe video. See ya.